Hey everyone! Before we dive in, I want to give a huge shout out to all my amazing subscribers and supporters. Whether you've subscribed, liked, commented, or just watched my videos, I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Your support means the world to me, and I couldn't be more grateful. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to TLB Station's very first tool, the Glassmorphism Generator. This tool makes it incredibly easy to create stunning, glass-like UI elements for your websites and projects. Let's take a closer look at what the Glassmorphism Generator can do. First, adjust the blur level to give your element that smooth, frosted glass effect. You can then tweak the transparency to find the perfect balance of visibility and opacity. If you need an outline, you can easily customize its thickness to match your design. Want to pick a color? The tool gives you full control over the background color so you can match your design perfectly. And we've got the box shadow feature. You can adjust everything from the horizontal and vertical offset to the blur and spread, and even the shadows color. You can adjust the red, green, and blue values to get the exact shade you want, and tweak the alpha to control its transparency. This gives you full control over how the shadow blends seamlessly with your design. And once you're happy with the design, the generated CSS appears right here. You can copy it with just one click. And if you want to start over, simply hit Reset to restore the default settings. Now for the tricks. First, check out the rope at the top left of the page. When you pull it, you'll see it animate and move down before redirecting you to the home page. It's a fun way to navigate, right? The second trick is even cooler. If you enter today's date, like 11 for the day, 9 for the month, and 24 for the year, the tool will also redirect you to the home page. Pretty cool, right? This is just the beginning. The Glassmorphism Generator is the first tool from TLB Station, and there's so much more coming. Thank you again for all your support. Head to our website, try it out, and let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the exciting tools and tutorials coming soon.